Okay, so today we're going to be doing a repair at Richard Ocampo's house. This is the damaged shingle, as you can see. We'll be replacing this 3-tab shingle. Okay, Meta, record. Start by unsealing the shingles. This is already unsealed. Find out where the nails are, pry him up. Barely lifting the shingles up, just enough to get the nail heads out, just like so. Just enough. These shingles are ripping a little bit. See there. The shingle has a rip as well. Okay, Meta, record. Now we have to lift the shingle up this much to where I can get the nail into the nailing zone, as well as get the nail flush with the decking and clear the hammerhead. So right here is the minimum I can lift it up. Just go down the line, same here, into the nailing zone. Now overlifting the shingle, just enough to clear the hammerhead so I do not damage the shingle. Okay, Meta, record. Okay, do the same here. Just enough, lifting it up just enough. Okay. Now, for these ones, we will go into the previous holes so we don't cause any leaks. Like I said, lift the shingle up just enough to clear the hammerhead and keep the nail flush with the decking. There's 2 nails here. As you can see, the ribs already into the previous holes. Okay, this is the last nail, last 2 nails. Okay, here and here, just enough to clear. Now this is a failed repair, as you can see. I'm gonna wipe this to mimic weathering. Just lightly wipe it. Now we see here, missing granulars. This causes the shingle to lose its water shedding capability. Okay, Meta, record. And then as you can see, it's 1, 2, 3 separate shingles that were damaged following this repair.